Hello from Chef Diamond's kitchen. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing fine. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please, you are welcome. Subscribe and turn on your notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. For my returning subscriber, thank you so much. Now, today I will be teaching how to make tortellini pasta. Tortellini pasta is an Italian pasta which is used to prepare soup or stew. It's just made with just simple ingredients with eggs, flour, and water. This is very easy to make and I hope you are going to love it. Leave me a comment below if you love this pasta and if you want more videos from me. Let's get started. This is called tortellini in brodo in Italian language, which means tortellini pasta in meat broth, and this tortellini is filled with minced meat. Here I have 200 grams of flour and 2 eggs, and I will be mixing with warm water. Note, each egg goes for 100 grams of flour. Means anytime you are making 200 grams of flour, you will be using 2 eggs, and this is portion for 4. We are going to mix very well and start adding water little by little. I'm going to mix this very well to form a fine dough. Please note, never allow your dough to be too sticky or too hard. After I have formed a rough dough in the plate, I'm going to bring it out, sprinkles of flour on my baking board, and work very well with my palms. This very part of my palm. Now the dough has come out perfect. It's not too soft, it's not too hard. I am going to form a round shape and place it into a bowl, cover with a pellicola, and set aside for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I have some minced meat. I am going to pour some oil in my pan, heat it up, and start frying the meat. We are going to continue stirring it till it turns brown in color. Now after a while, I sprinkled in some salt and black pepper. Now that it's ready, I'm going to take it off the fire and sieve. I am sieving this because I don't need the water, I need the meat very dry. And here I have some celery here, carrots, salt, onion, some seasoning cube, and meat. I am going to slice them and kindly wash, place it into a pot of water and cook them together. This will be my meat broth. I am needing the meat broth to cook the tortellini pasta. I'm going to cover and allow cook very well. After a while, I checked on my dough. Now it's ready to start working again. Now after working, I'm going to start making the dough very wide with my rolling pin. Always add flour to your dough while working to have a very perfect shape so that it won't be sticky too. After working. I'm going to show you right now. You see, as you can see, it's very transparent. And now let's start cutting. You can also use knife to cut this. We are going to cut it rectangular. And here I will start adding the meat on the shapes I have cut. Fold it triangular first and bend it to the back like a ring shape, as you can see. We are going to cover all of them like this, one after the other, with the help of our flour. As you can see, it's very easy. Hope you will try this. Now that it's ready, we are going to ensure we sieve all the ingredients we added earlier into this pot of broth. Now let's cook the tortellini in this meat broth now. Wow, it's ready. This is very delicious. Leave me a comment below if you are going to try this, if you love this recipe. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share. See you next time.